Local pharmacists are urging people to stock up on medication ahead of this weekend's winter storm. Severe weather could make roads impassable, but help may still come straight to your door. Nikel Williams has more.
Dr. Nanjay here at the Trinity Pharmacy is urging people in the community to avoid waiting until the last minute to refill prescriptions. She says now is the time to do that. But she is working on a plan to make sure those in critical need of medication can get it if they end up stranded in the house for multiple days. With ice and freezing temperatures in the forecast, Dr. Clementine Najee at Trinity Pharmacy in Southwest Atlanta says now is the time to check your medicine cabinet.
Look on your medication and see what you're missing and call your pharmacy and see how soon they can do it. Usually we fill the prescription when it's due. In emergency, we can do it a day or two early.
Dr. Nanjay says there are ways pharmacists can help customers avoid running out if travel becomes unsafe.
Your prescription is life-saving, so I encourage people to make sure that since the storm is going to be for a couple of days, look on your medication and see what you're missing and call your pharmacy and see how soon they can do it. Usually we fill the prescription when it's due. In emergency, we can do it a day or two early. The insurance allows us to do that to accommodate the patient.
She also reminds people that leaving home during icy conditions can be dangerous.
And in my case, we do deliveries, so we get extra delivery when we're having storm. That way we can accommodate patients and try to make sure that they have their medication.
Trinity Pharmacy delivered over 50 prescriptions Tuesday ahead of the winter weather.
I noticed we've had a lot of calls today, a lot of calls. Our delivery person has been out all day. Usually they go out, come back, and then go out again. It's almost closing time. She hasn't been back, so I know she's been busy out there.
Alexis Williams is a 10-year customer. She came to the pharmacy as quickly as she could.
She gave me a call. She was like, "Yeah, medicine is ready. Come pick it up." I was like, "Thank you, God. Now I can stay in the house and I ain't got to worry about coming outside."
She's used the delivery service before, but says she wanted to have the medication in hand.
We have to have this medication, so I'm up here picking up his and mine.
And while Dr. Nanjay says she'll do what she can to help people who are stranded this weekend, safety still comes first.
We try to stay safe, but we do try to go the extra mile to make sure our patients get their medications. If it's medicine that you have to take, we usually make sure we get it to you.
The pharmacist says if you're unsure if your prescription qualifies for early refill or delivery, call first thing in the morning to find out. Sharon?